So it's all installed there, and I improvised this heat shield there out of a mud flap and I put heat tape all over it. So that's the full intake all assembled there, and I used a K&N filter and put the stock, the one that it came with. All in all, it's actually really good kit to install actually. So you can kind of see how it all the hoses work, and the delete there, and instead you've got this little air filter. And yeah, I'll fire her up and we'll have a listen, see what you guys think. Engine's a little wet because I washed it, but hence the steam. But it's been running really well. So do I recommend it? Yeah, actually. Very surprised by the quality there from Amazon. So I'll give you a long-term review eventually, but I'm going to get this rig up ready for sale, and up until then I'll drive the crap out of it. Overall, pretty damn good. Great engine, probably the best that Toyota have made in my opinion. And the next thing I'm doing is I'm already sanding down the sides there, getting it ready for paint. As you can see, I already got rid of the clear coat and getting rid of all that. Been working on the hood. Listen to that. Fantastic. Recommended. Have a great day.